An exciting new world of living, this warm and welcoming canal front home is pleasantly appointed with all the modern comforts, offering the ultimate in living enjoyment. While standing the test of time, an appealing split floor plan and spacious interior encourage the current owners to totally renovate and update. Wood floors were installed, all bathrooms were updated, new windows and doors added, and a dining room was created while the kitchen underwent a complete makeover, bringing this home into the 21st century. If that's not enough, the pool area recently underwent reconstruction, creating an extreme outdoor entertaining area for all ages. With over 2,100 square feet, this outdoor living space includes an 18 by 38 heated pool, paver deck, hot tub, outdoor billiard and foosball tables, flat screen TVs, ceiling fans, and a refreshment area, all under roof, creating the utmost outdoor living environment. If that's not enough, for the boating enthusiast, you'll find 150 feet of canal front offering access to the Harris chain of lakes. Also a generous boat dock with power lift and touchless cover, capable of handling larger crafts, while the boathouse offers a 300 square foot finished storage room which can easily be used as a hobby room, man cave, or she shed. Sitting on a double lot, the backyard is fully fenced and offers ample space for storage of recreational vehicles with easy access through double gates. While distinctively appealing, if you like individuality, nothing compares to this jewel. Come see it for yourself. Call now to schedule your showing.